How's everybody? Today in this video we will learn how to subtract using dot method. I hope you have done sufficient practice adding big numbers in large quantity using dot method, which we learned in my previous video. Now let's continue with subtraction. First, let's see what we are taught in schools. If we are subtracting a small number from a big number, the calculation is very straightforward. For example, 9 minus 4 equals 5, 6 minus 2 equals 4. The problem comes when we have to subtract a big number from a small number. In this case, the technique we are taught in schools is to borrow 10 from the number in the next place. Then we need to memorize what is left there while doing the subtraction in this place parallelly. This is very confusing for few kids doing subtraction for big numbers. Let's see how do we do it with the dot method. So, look at this example. 83 minus 57. So, it is very easy with the dot method if you see. So, first, if the lower digit is higher than the upper digit, then we need to find the complement of 7. Complement means 10 minus the digit. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. So the complement of 7 is 3. Now we have to add the complement of 7 with the upper digit as I have drawn here. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So, in subtraction, we need addition 2. Now, before that, we need to see if the number is higher. Now, in this example, the number is higher, so we have to put a dot. Now, this dot represents 1. So, 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now, 8 minus 6 equals 2. It's just straightforward. So the answer is 26. Now let's look at a bigger example. And before we start, dot method is usually used in bigger numbers. So here 7 is a bigger number than 2. So we'll put a dot here and here. We go. The complement of 7 equals 3. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now the complement of 10 is 0. And first, this dot represents 1 and this is higher. So we have to put a dot here. So the complement of 10 is 0. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So 9 is higher than 6. So let's put a dot here. So the complement of 9 is 1. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. And here we get the answer. It is 735. So, look at this example too. It's very big, but it will be done easily. So, the complement of 7 again is 3. So 3 plus 6 equals 9, and we have to put a dot here. Now, we have to put a dot as this is 10. Yeah. So the complement of 10 is 0. So 0 plus 5 equals 5. Now 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 is higher than 3. So let's put a dot here. So the complement of 6 is 4. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now 8 plus 1 equals 9. It's higher than 4. So we will put a dot here. The complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Now here. 7 plus 1 equals 8. The complement, wait, first, this is higher than the upper digit. So let's put a dot here. So the complement of 8 is 2. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. And here, this is straightforward. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And section below. And if there is any problem, you can chat in the comment section below. And please like our video and subscribe. Bye.